DJ flame it up.
Because the Kiki Curly Wash and Go really weighed my hair down versus this one. It shrunk up my hair a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiana and I'm here to do a full wash day tutorial featuring Miche Beauty. Okay, Miche Beauty. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I did post a tutorial using a Miche, I think their shampoo and their protein deep conditioner, but today I'm going to use my Miche Beauty Cleanse shampoo. One of the new products that I'm going to be using is their warm sugar cookie deep conditioner. This is 8.5 fluid ounces and it is a moisturizing deep conditioner. So yes, the peppermint one is protein, so it is strengthening. This one is all about moisture, so I'm super excited about this one. It smells like a sugar cookie. It really does. I had my friend smell it. She goes, yeah, Kiana, that smells like a real sugar cookie. So this is one of the new products that I'm going to be using today. And of course I have my Lavish leave-in conditioner, which is like one of my top leave-in conditioners by far. And a new product that I am using from Miche Beauty as well is their Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I am really intrigued by this product because they do have their twist and butter, which doesn't work for my hair. I get so much frizz. The definition is not there. It is very moisturizing, but for definition wise, I have to retwist my hair at like maybe day 2, to be completely honest. So this one's more of a creamy consistency, so my hair loves that. So I am going to be using this for the wash and go, so I'm excited. And then of course I'm using a gel. I'm using the EcoStyle Crystal Gel. Now, fun fact, I have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel, and I never ever use my EcoStyle Gel for a wash and go. I don't know why. It just never was a thing for me. I use it for my twist outs, my braid outs. That's what I do. But for a wash and go, I never use any EcoStyle Gel for a wash and go. So I decided to use this one because I really do love this EcoStyle Gel. So yeah, we're just trying new things today. I already detangled my hair using one of my rinse out conditioners. I'm not going to show you the shampoo process because it's the same thing, so I will jump on when I am applying deep conditioner. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright, so I just finished washing my hair. My hair smells amazing and I am using gloves. I noticed that my hair likes to snag on my nails, so by me using gloves it really helps with the snagging and also helps me to protect my nails so I don't have to get them done so often. So I'm going to split this back into its 4 parts. So let's read about the Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner. Okay, so it says, pampering your hair with something sweet, decadent for the holidays. Our warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner Mask is made of creamy cocoa butter, which has a healing and softening properties that will leave your hair feeling healthy, shiny, and moisturized during the cold winter season. The sweet aroma of warm sugar cookies will remind you of baking fresh cookies with grandma in the kitchen. Even though it smells good, please do not ingest. It says to leave on your hair for 30 minutes, so I definitely have my cure do, because you know I do incorporate that into my wash day every single week. Gonna scoop some of the product. Now you know the last product that I use basically almost all of it. So let's see how far this will go. So I have a scoop right here. See if that slip is there. Okay. Okay, slip is there. Finger detangling. Alright, so now I'm going to use the hair steamer. Alright, curls are springing back. It feels good. Feels very moisturized. Not mad at it. So of course you know I have my rice water. So now I'm going to twist this up and work on the next section. guys, so I'm back. I just finished letting my deep conditioner sit for 30 minutes. So let's take it off so we can see what it's looking like. Okay. Okay. Let's take out this part here. Okay, so it feels super duper moisturized, like really moisturized. Alright, so let me just twist this back up. I'm gonna go rinse this out of my head, and I will be back to show you how my hair looks when I rinse it out. Alright, so I just finished washing out the deep conditioner, and my hair feels amazing. Okay, like the smell does linger. It still smells like a sugar cookie but it's not as strong, so I appreciate that. And I'm going to apply my lavish leave-in conditioner. You know that is Bay, so you could just watch me apply that all over. Alright, so I am going to now apply the Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream, so we could just see the consistency of it. It is creamy, which I really like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this entire section out. So it's two sections. I'm going to take this entire section out, and I'm going to add the cream and then add the gel right on it, because we need to speed this up. You know, remember your wash and goes, you have to make sure it is wet. I'm using warm water. You can see the leave-in already gave me some good definition. I'm going to take some of the cream, not too much. Well, it looks like a lot. I'm going to add it all over. Now, it does say that you don't need to pair it with a leave-in, but I'm going to. You already know. Alright. This is giving me really good definition. Okay, Miche. Let's take some hair out. I'm going to add the gel. Alright. Weighing down the curls. That's how I like it. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. However this comes out, we're just gonna experiment this together. I have a feeling this is gonna give me a lot of bounce. Alright, so this is the back section. Yeah, it's definitely bouncier than my normal wash and goes. I'm feeling this is going to be a lot of frizz. I don't know if I use too much product, like the leave-in with the leave-in with the cream, because it said you don't need to pair it with a leave-in, but I did anyways. So yeah, we're just gonna continue. Alright, I'm only gonna use a little bit this time. Alright, so let's just stop. So far, I don't know what are my thoughts so far. Like, this side is definitely shrinking up a lot, and this side, yeah, I guess this side is drying faster. This is going to be a very interesting wash and go, because Eco Style doesn't give me a hold. Like, it doesn't give me a crunch. So I think I'm setting myself up for failure. That is one. Two, I'm using way too much product, because the curling cream reminds me of the leave-in consistency. So it's like I'm putting double the consistency on my hair, if that makes sense. And it's just, I don't know, it's just reacting weird. And I keep wiping my hand off because the product is like left on it. And then on top of that, this is just so messy. It's just too much creamy products all at one time. I mean, the definition is there, but I don't know if it's enough to like hold my hair, because like I said, Eco Style does not hold my hair. So this is gonna be very interesting. Yeah, we just gonna see what happens when it dries. See, like, some parts are already getting frizzy. I'm like, no, don't do that. Yeah, this is a lot of product on my hair. So yeah, if it flakes, it's my fault. So if it flakes, I'm just gonna wash my hair tomorrow and just do a twist out. So let's go set underneath my dryer, and yeah, I'll be back when it fully dries. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is fully dried, and I did stretch it just a tad bit. You already know what I do. So honestly, I really thought this was going to be a fail. Like, do you not see this definition? Like, I am so impressed how this came out. I swear, guys, I really thought it was going to be a failed wash and go. Every single curl is defined. I really don't like to shingle because I feel like the curls are just so small and it shrinks up more, but because it is clumping together, I can separate as the days go on. I do have a hold, surprisingly, from an Eco Style. Like, I'm like, what? I should have been using Eco Style for my wash and goes from like way back when, and I'm just so shocked because the Kiki Curly wash and go really weighed my hair down versus this one, it shrunk up my hair a little bit. But I am going to band my hair as per usual. This is what I do to stretch my hair throughout the week. So yeah, I'm gonna put it into 5 sections, 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 2 in the back. So let's just go through these products real quick before I sign off on this video. So of course, you know, I used my Miche shampoo, which I really do love. This one is very moisturizing. Love it. It smells amazing. Definitely highly recommend the Miche shampoo. And then I did follow up with their new Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner, which I really do like. I use a little bit more than half. I think I got this for $15.99. Original price like $22. But yeah, please check it out. It is moisturizing. And then of course, my favorite, my Miche leave-in. This is from the OG line. I have a brand new one sitting in my stash. I had this for almost a year now. So yeah, I'm like literally a little bit more than halfway done. So this is really good. I can honestly say that I really did not need to pair this with anything else, just a gel, and my hair would have definitely had a definition because this is super moisturizing. And you saw my curl definition when I applied that leave-in. Like, I do recommend that. I did use their new Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This is a new product that they are keeping around. I really do love this more than the Twist and Butter, which I did give away. I highly recommend this one over the Twist and Butter. I have way more definition, as you can see, and it's not heavy. It's a curling cream. I really did not need the leave-in. I really could have just picked either or, but I did pair these both together. I did get scared because it was a little bit of clumping going on, because it was a lot of moisture all at one time. Like this entire wash day was a moisture thing. The shampoo was moisturizing, the deep conditioner was moisturizing, the leave-in is super moisturizing. This is super duper moisturizing. It says it does not need a leave-in, but I did use one anyways, and that's where I got the scare from, because I'm like, whoa, this is interesting. So yeah, I do recommend this. Next time I won't use a leave-in conditioner, because this is again really moisturizing, and I did get a lot of product all over my hands what I had to wipe off. So good thing I did think about wiping off my hands before applying the gel, because it was just a lot of product. And last but not least, you already know my Eco Style Crystal. This held me down. This, woo, girl, you saw me struggling, you saw me scared, you saw the sweat, you saw the tears, you saw the unknown on my face. I was just terrified, because I'm like, what? I never use an Eco Style gel for my wash and goes. It doesn't hold, but I have a crunch, guys. Like, it's not a OD crunch as the what is it called, the Main Choice Gelato, but it is a serious hold. Like, this is going to last me, and I am so in love with my hair. And I will post a clip of me sometime throughout this week of my hair, so you can see exactly what my hair is looking like, because that Kinky Curly Wash and Go was bomb. This one is definitely bomb. It has a movement, and yeah, I still got all this definition, like OMG. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please check out Miche Beauty. I'm telling you, you're not gonna be disappointed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Alright, so this is Wednesday, so this is day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I did my hair on Saturday, so the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is day 4 hair, guys. It looks really good. It's really full. Definition is still there. I am flaking just a little bit. It's not like a lot for me to be like, this product sucks. But I do know for next time, I'm not going to use as much product. I'm either going to use the leave-in, and then the gel, or the cream, and then the gel. Gotta toss one of those things. But it looks good. And yeah, it's going to go on a puff tomorrow, so I can rock it off for Thursday and Friday. And then it's wash day again. It's not like my Kiki Curly Wash and Go now. It's not like my Kiki Curly Wash and Go, which I can wear all week, but this is going in a puff. Because I'm tired of doing my hair also, so yeah. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.